Do a little break dance. Thank you very much.
Hey Terry, you went in the bathroom and didn't even say nothing when he came out. We were cracking
he was
up.
Out here when he came out. Yeah, I saw that. I thought, wow, we have a really nice bathroom.
We were cracking up. I was like,
no, I was very aware of that, but I didn't know where he was.
Oh.
Okay.
You can tap it 50 times.
What?
50 times you can tap it.
Oh,
You
really?
have like 47 more.
Well, I wasn't going to use up a tap, so.
That's nice, and yes, I am glad I got a card instead.
All you have to do is tap it.
911, quick! Did you see her trying to kill me? Did you see that?
I got it on video.
He's going to take that home and keep tapping it and boogie with that.
50 more,
I give that
37
about a
more
minute and a
times.
half and Pat will throw a knife through it.
I got a little bit of it.
That's nice. Thank you guys.